when is your wish going to be fulfilled? So there is one important wish, one very good wish, one very big wish that you have, and you want to fulfill that wish. You want that wish should get fulfilled as soon as possible. You want to know when will that happen, and there are three different options for you here. You need to select just one option, and based on your intuitional selection, yes, it has to be an intuitive selection. Yes, let's get started. Just in case if you chose option number one, this card actually says in the month of February. So see, yes, if your wish, you want your wish to get fulfilled, yes, there are you will have to make efforts. Okay, once you start making consistent efforts, once you start making intensive efforts, you can expect your wish to be fulfilled in February, which is a good thing, right? Just in case you chose option 2, this card actually says then in the nearest future. So in the nearest future, yes, your wish is going to get fulfilled. Now you may say, okay, but this is not good this is not a good definition of how much time it's going to take. Yes, this is where all the future components, they are not yet defined. All the entire future is not yet defined, it is not yet written, which is why you get this sort of answer. At the same time, whatever wish you have, it could get altered, it could get like revisited, and you may actually change it, like shift it a little bit, which is why you have got this answer. Okay, so yes, it's going to be fulfilled in the near future. Just in case you chose option number 3, the card actually says that it's going to be fulfilled in the month of August. So yes, August is just around the corner, and it depends whenever you watch this video, it depends on that as well. So whenever you're watching this video, the next August that's coming, your wish is going to be fulfilled at that time. Again, I would like to clarify that not all the time, just because August is coming up, that your wish is going to be fulfilled. If you don't make any efforts, if you don't work hard towards making your wish come true, like, this August is not going to help. It could not happen in any upcoming August months, right? So yes, in order to make your wish come true, in order to fulfill your wish, you have to make efforts. You have to make quality efforts so that you can fulfill your wish, after which you can expect, yes, quality efforts. At the same time, like, like the amount of time, the amount of intensity, the amount of effective work you put in, all of that will depend on which year's August it comes true. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you have got your answer. If you want any further deeper soul searching into, yes, into any of the answers that you have got, a one-on-one tarot reading is definitely possible for me. The number is given on your screen. You need to get in touch with me. Make sure that you message me first before calling. Okay, and yes, if you are interested in learning tarot, definitely there are courses for that as well. There is my website link given here on the screen. You can get there and try to check out all the details of my tarot course. Until next time,